When you get tired of your old furniture and think about throwing it away, you wonder if you could reuse any of it. After all, recycling is the buzzword. To help you with this task, we have put together several incredible ideas to give new life to old drawers. These ideas will inspire you to transform them in moments. This is a simple idea. A new bookshelf for your home, placing some wood as a division in the middle, and your old drawer can also become a beautiful book. Use vivid and different colors to make your shelves even more beautiful. It is possible to customize the interior of the drawer according to your needs. To create a mini bookcase inside, use wood and a very beautiful lining. The good use of spaces and organization are essential factors when decorating environments, so it is important to invest in furniture that is both decorative and functional, like this one. If you want to skip the painting, it is still possible. Do things with the beautiful wrapping paper and you get a beautiful new shelf. A good example of this type of mobile shelves that serve both to store items, which still require careful magazine books, as well as those decorative elements with which you have an effective relationship, such as picture frames or personal things. Look how they got beautiful space on this shelf. This shelf is a very delicate piece, an idea to apply in your kitchen. In addition to tea, it can store seasonings and spices. The intention is to bring a coziness in your kitchen and facilitate access to these foods. Made with champagne boxes, the piece combines charm, economy and functionality. Several drawers together can serve as a bookcase to store objects near your bed, in this case books and other decorative pieces. Another shelf to store books in style. This project benefits the mixture of cheerful colors and the darker environment, bringing prominence to the wall. Shelves are always an asset for those looking for practicality, saving resources and optimizing spaces. So, as we can appreciate, in addition to being able to function, the shelf is quite versatile, and can be found in versions attached to the walls, the ceiling, the floor, and they can vary in size, in a rustic or modern style. And the variety of shapes and colors is quite wide. So, it's time for you to use your creativity and make your bookshelf. Have you liked this idea? Share with your friends and don't forget to leave your like. Bye and see you in the next video.